Before we begin, take a moment and think about this. Every day, you are surrounded by things you could learn: skills, ideas, tools, products. And somewhere inside you, there is a quiet voice that says, I know I am capable of more. Now imagine, what if learning anything, truly anything, could become easier, faster, and far more enjoyable? Not by working harder, but by understanding yourself. What if the real upgrade isn't the subject, but in you? I am Ramraj, and this is the MetaLearning Universe, an initiative that simplifies the art of learning anything. In this episode, I am going to show you what meta-learning really is, why most people struggle without realizing it, and how a small shift in awareness can transform the way you learn for the rest of your life. This isn't about studying more, it is about awakening the learner within you. Let me take you into the world of Maya. Maya was curious, bright, and full of excitement. She loved learning new things, new skills, new ideas, new possibilities. But inside, she felt something many of us feel: overwhelmed. She jumped from topic to topic, tried different study methods, watched tutorials, took notes, but nothing stayed. Nothing felt hers. One day, exhausted and frustrated, she paused. She closed her eyes and asked herself a question she had never asked before. How do I learn? That question changed everything. She started a small diary. She wrote down when she felt focused, what helped her remember, what distracted her, and what made learning feel effortless. Slowly, she began to see patterns that were always there, but she had never noticed. Learning wasn't about stuffing more information into her mind. It was about understanding the mind that was trying to learn. And once she saw her patterns, she didn't just learn better, she became a different kind of learner. That is the power of meta-learning. So what exactly is meta-learning? Meta-learning means learning how to learn. It is like upgrading the operating system of your mind. Instead of focusing only on what you learn, you begin to understand how you process information, how you remember, how you get stuck, how you stay motivated, how you connect ideas. Meta-learning helps you build knowledge that lasts, learn across different fields, solve problems with clarity, think more creatively, adapt in a world that changes every day. It is not about adding more pressure. It is about removing the friction that was always slowing you down. Think about people who learn fast. A student who studies less but remembers more. A professional who connects ideas effortlessly. A creator who blends different skills. A problem solver who sees patterns others miss. They are not naturally gifted. They simply understand how they learn, and they use that awareness intentionally. Meta-learning is the difference between trying to learn everything and knowing how to learn anything. Let's begin your journey with a simple but powerful exercise. Create your learning diary. Take a notebook or open a digital document. This will become your mirror, your learning profile. Now write this question at the top. How do I learn? And start writing answers. Don't try to be perfect. Don't try to be smart. Just be honest. Close your eyes for a moment. Think of time when you learned something well recently. What helped you? What distracted you? What made it click? What made it feel effortless? Write down whatever comes up. A sentence, a metaphor, a sketch, a contradiction, a feeling, or anything. This is your first step into meta-learning, awakening the learner behind the learning. Before you go, I want you to remember something. You are not a slow learner. You are not behind. You are not lacking talent. You simply haven't been taught how you learn. But today, that changes. Comment below with one finding from your learning diary. No matter how small, and we all will help you move forward to become a better learner. Simply understand that this is your first footprint on a new path. And if you want to continue building your MetaLearning universe, subscribe and stay close. Before I sign off, let me ask you a question. What is the secret to learning anything faster? Comment below and start your journey into the MetaLearning universe. Thank you for watching.